So students, today topic is division of a monomial by another monomial. So do you remember what is called monomial? Yes, monomial means it consists of only one term. So term, how you identify the term? Yes, the expression not having plus and minus, without plus and minus, and algebraic expression comes, it is called monomial. So this is called one monomial, this is called another one monomial. We are going to divide the monomial by monomial. There are two methods. So first method is expanded form. First method is expanded form. So 10p power 4 divided by 2p cube. So here what is the number? Yes, 10 is the number. So I write 10. So 10p power 4. What is the meaning? 10 multiplied with p power 4. So 10 into, how many p's are there? Yes, p power 4 means, what is the meaning of p power 4? P can be multiplied by 4 times. So p can be multiplied by 4 times. So I write p into p into p into p. So next one, 2p cube. What is the meaning of 2p cube? 2 multiplied with p cube. What is the meaning of p cube? P can be multiplied by 3 times. So 2 into p cube means p into p into p. So listen, in division we have to cancel numerator with denominator. If the same numbers are common, we have to cancel the numerator with denominator. So this p and this p is cancelled. Here this one and this one cancel. Again this one and this one is cancelled. So remaining numerator only 1p is there. So here listen, 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. So how many 2's in 10? Yes, 2 1's are 2, 2 5's are 10. 2 5's are 10. So what is the remaining term? Here 5, here p. So 5 into p, answer is 5p. Answer is 5p. This is called the expanded form. So next we see the second method. So next method, we are going to apply the law of exponent for division. So division, in division x power m divided by x power n. So this is called base. This is called power. If the bases are same in division, if the bases are same, we subtract the power. So this is called law of exponent. So last class we apply a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. In multiplication we add the power. In division we subtract the power. This is called the law of exponent. So listen, once again I tell. So here x, here x. In division if the bases are same means we subtract the power. We subtract the power. Listen. So here 10, here 2. So how many 2's in 10? Yes. So 2 5's are 10. 2 5's are 10. So remaining p power 4 divided by p power 3. P power 4 divided by p power 3. Listen. Here 1 5 is there. So I write 5 here. So you have to compare this one with this one. Here what is the base? Yes, x is the base. Here what is the base? Yes, p is the base. What is the power? Here 4 is the power. Here 3 is the power. So apply this formula to here means here 5 is there. So we write 5. So p power. So here m minus n. So m in the place of numerator. Here 4 in the place of numerator. So 4. So denominator 3 is there. Here denominator n is there. So listen, numerator minus denominator. Power of numerator with power of denominator. So 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So 5. P power. What is the value of 4 minus 3? Yes, 4 minus 3 is 1. So here this is understood. If p power 1 means it is understood for p. So p how many times? 1 time. So p power 1. So this one and this one is same. So 5p power 1 or 5p. These two of them having the same value. Listen, this is called law of exponent. So law of exponent. What is the law of exponent means? In division, if the bases are same means we subtract the power. So in this place we cancel this number. So compare the variables. Here p power 4, here p power 3. So p is the common. P is common. So in division, if the base is common means we subtract the power. So 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So p power 1. It can be written as p. Exercise 3.2, page number 85. Take your book and see the sum. So first Roman letter, fill in the blanks. So see the first sum, 18m power 4 divided by 2m cube n cube. So this place we have to find the value is equal to dash. So here also which number you come, you have to find and write. Listen. So fill in the blanks. So this place m power 4, m power 3. Listen, first you have to see the numbers. Here 18, here 2. How many 2's in 18? Yes, do you know the 2 table? Yes, 2 9's are 18. So this one and this one cancel means we get a 9. So this place we have to write 9. We have to write 9. So listen. So here m power 4, m power 3. So here how the m will come? Yes. Here same. Base means we subtract the power. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So here m power 1 means m. Here n power 5 is coming. N power 5 is coming. So here which number come means here 5 is come. Yes. Can anybody say the answer? Here n power 3. Here how many n's come means here answer is n power 5. Listen. So n power 3. So here n power 5. So answer come in n power 5. So in this place how many n's means we get n power 5. Yes. Here if we put 8 means 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. Listen. Here if we put here 8 means 8 minus 3 we get n power 5. So here which number is come? Yes. How many n's are come? N power 8. N power 8. Do you understand this sum? Yes. So next is sum 42 a power 4 b power 5. In this place dash is given. So this place you have to find. So here listen, 6a power 4 b squared is equal to dash. Here also one dash is given. This one also you have to find. Listen. So here 42, here 6. So do you know the 6 table? Yes. How many 6 in 42? Yes, say that the table. 6 7s are 42. So here and here we cancel means this place 7. So here we put 7. So listen, here a power 4, here also a power 4. So this one and this one cancel. Listen, so a term not come in the answer. So next b term. Here b, here b. So b power, this power what will come? Yes. So in divide, the base is same, we subtract the power. So 5 minus 2, what is the answer of 5 minus 2? Yes, 5 minus 2 is 3. So this place 3. So how many b's in the answer? Yes, b power 3. Listen. So here c squared, answer c squared is come. But here no c squared. So this place, which is come for this place? Can you guess? Yes. Here if we put a c squared means here answer come in c squared. Listen. So first we cancel the number. Next cancel the a term. Next cancel with the b term. Next c square. Here only one c square. So this place c squared means Here no c square, no c term is there means here directly we have to write the c square. Understood this sum? Yes. So second one, say true or false. You are going to check it is the given sum is true or false. So how do you check means 7ab cube divided by 14ab equal to 2b squared. And this answer is given. If we simplify this, we get 2b squared. So this 2b squared is correct or wrong? You have to check. Listen. So this one 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So a cancel. So here b cube, here b power 1. So b cube minus b power 1. What is the answer? Yes, in division, if the bases are same means we subtract the power. So a is not there. So what is the answer means here 1 divided by 2. Here a cancels, so no a term. Here what is the b term means b power 3 minus 1. So answer is 1 by 2 b power 2. So here listen, here 2 is given, but the answer is 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2 and 2 is same? Not same. So this answer is a false. It is a false. First one you take as homework. So listen, my next is a 45x cube y squared z power 4 divided by minus 15 xy z. So positive divided by negative, plus divided by minus, plus divided by minus. So plus divided by minus, any oneness minus means answer come at minus. Plus divided by z, plus divided by minus means answer come at minus. Do you know the 15th table? Yes, 15 3s are how much? 45. If you don't know the 15th table means you cancel by 5. How many 5s in 15? Yes, 3. So 3. Here 5 9s are 45. So 9 divided by 3. Again we cancel means 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. So next one. So this one 3. So minus 3. So listen here x cube, here x. X cube divided by x. So x cube. So 3. What is the power? Yes, 1. So 3 minus 1. So next one, y, here 2, here 1. So 2 minus 1. Here z power, what is the power? Yes, z power 4. Here z power 1. So 4 minus 1. So listen, so minus 3. 3 minus 1, what is the answer? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Listen. So here 45x cube y squared z power 4 divided by minus 15xy z. So first you have to cancel the numbers. These two numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 3s are 50, 5 9s are 45. Again this 9 and 3 cancel by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 1 minus means here minus 3. So number over. Next come to the variable. So division, if the variables are same means you subtract the power. So here power is 3, here power is 1. Nothing is given means it is understood for 1. So 3 minus 1. So next one y, here 2. So 2 minus 1. Next these are the same variables. So z power, here 4, here 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So last answer minus 3 x squared y power 1 z power 3. 3xy the whole square. Do you know how you write 2 square? So 2 square means 2 can be multiplied by 2 times. How you write 5 square? 5 can be multiplied by 2 times. So listen, 3xy the whole square. How you write? So 3xy the whole square. by 9xy. So 3xy the whole square means, what is the meaning of this means? 3xy can be multiplied by 2 times. So whole power means 3xy multiplied by 2 times. So 3xy into 3xy. So whole divided by means whole divided by 9xy. So here x cancel, here y cancel. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. This 3 and this 3 is cancelled. Listen, here 3xy, remaining term is 3xy. Here remaining term is 3. So this 3 and this 3 is cancelled. So what is the answer? xy is the answer of the sum. Listen. So 3xy the whole square divided by 9xy. So whole square, the whole square means you have to multiply this by 2 times. So 3xy the whole square means 3xy can be multiplied by 2 times. So I write 3xy into 3xy divided by 9xy. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So here x and x cancel, next y and y cancel. So remaining term 3xy, here remaining term is 3. So 3 3 cancel, so answer is xy. Fourth sum, simplify 3m square divided by m. So place 2m power 4 divided by m power 3. Listen, so here addition will come. So there are 2 terms are given. You have to simplify this sum. Listen, here divide 3m square divided by m. So 3m square divided by m. So this 2 of them are same. So base is same means we subtract the power. What is the power of the numerator here? Yes, 2. Here what is the power? Nothing is given. So it is understood for 1. So 2 minus 1. Listen. Here base, listen. In division if the bases are same means we subtract the power. So 2 minus 1. So next one is plus. So I put plus. So here only one number. So I write that number. So listen. Here m power 4 divided by m power 3. So m is common. So base same. So in division if the bases are same means we subtract the power. What is the power of the numerator? Yes, 4 is the power of the numerator. What is the power of the denominator here? Yes, 3 is the power of the denominator. So 4 minus 3. Sorry, here listen. So 2 is here. Here m power 4 minus 3. M power 4 minus 3. Listen, here only one 3 is there. Here denominator not having the number. So here 3. So next one this place m power 2 divided by m. So m, here also m, here also m. So I subtract the power. So next one 2 is a number. Denominator not having a number. So I write 2. So come to this place means here m power 4 divided by m power 3. So m is same. So in division bases are same means we subtract the power. So 4 minus 3. So next one 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So next one plus 2 into m power 4 minus 3 is 1. So 3m plus 2m. Listen, here also m, here also m. So variables are same means we add the numbers. Numbers means what? Coefficient. If the variables are same means we add the coefficient. So 3 plus 2. How many 3's? How many m's are there? 3m. How many m's are there? 2m. So 3m plus 2m. Answer is 5m. Answer is 5m.